if the child fails the newborn hearing test, they go and get referred for a diagnostic through an audiologist and ENT. And then when the hearing loss is confirmed, it gets sent to regional offices, not regional center, but regional state offices. There's one in Northern California and I think two in Southern California. They get the referral and then they send it to whatever local education agency that the parents live in, right? So that is a little bit of a process. It's supposed to go smoothly. Then the parent will be contacted by somebody from the lead agency. So for like you're in LA, so LAUSD is its own agency. It's its own animal. And that's what I used to work for. And then there's LA County. So LA County has all those other districts, but LA serves a lot of children with hearing loss. Um, and so then that person would reach out to them and they'll do an intake. The um, the agency has 45 days to contact the family, do an assessment, and hold the IFSP. So it's very quick. And there's things like if the family's not ready to move that fast, they can sign off on that. But that's one of the regulatory items that districts are held accountable for. So what they'll expect is someone to call and do like an intake, ask some questions that maybe they haven't gotten in terms of the referral. Um, and then they'll set up a meeting to come out and do a more formal intake and an assessment on the child. And the assessment, especially because sometimes we're dealing with like 3 months old, it's like, what are they assessing? Well, the law mandates that even though we're going out there because the child has a hearing loss of some sort, we have to assess in all 5 areas of development. And, we do a lot of parent report. Obviously, we're not going to find out that much from the child, but we ask the parents, so let's say the child's 6 months, are they sitting up? So we're looking at motor development. Um, how much are they turning to their name? Are they tracking objects? So looking at all the developmental areas for a young child. Then based on that, we sit down with the parents and develop the IFSP.